Hello, if you're looking to give your carpets a new lease of life with a deep clean, then we've got just the thing for you. The Karcher carpet cleaner is perfect for cleaning carpets and upholstery in domestic spaces and offices. It runs off a standard 240 volt plug, weighs just 10 kilograms when dry, and thanks to the wheels at the base, it's easy to manoeuvre whilst in use. Before using the carpet cleaner, you should first remove any furniture from the room, tie up any curtains and vacuum the floor to collect any loose debris or dirt. We always suggest testing a small area of the carpet in the corner before you begin. To set up the carpet cleaner, you'll first need to unravel the power cable. We recommend plugging the machine into a socket outside of the room you are cleaning, just in case there's any spills. We advise using an RCD breaker, which you can add to your basket at checkout when hiring through hss.com. Your next step is to remove the clear lid from the machine, take out the 10-litre water bucket, rinse and fill with a mixture of carpet cleaning solution and water. We recommend 1 measure of cleaning solution to 2 gallons of hand hot water. The cleaning solution is also available for purchase online. Once you have filled the container, carefully pour it into the clean water compartment on the other side of the machine and return the water container to its place, locking the clear lid once done, as this is where the dirty water will start to collect. The next step is to build the floor cleaning wand, which comes in 3 parts that interlock. The heads of this can change depending on the attachment and the job in hand, for example carpets versus upholstered sofas and chairs. First, loosen the lock collar on both the trigger section and the floor piece. Then insert the alloy tube into either end, ensuring the small tube lines up. Once correctly lined up, push the tube fully in and you'll hear a small click, then secure in position by turning the lock collar fully anti-clockwise. Repeat this action on the remaining end piece. Once the wand is built, you can connect the flexible supply hoses to the machine and cleaning wand. To use the vacuum, connect the power supply and turn both the vacuum and solution switches on as they operate independently. When using the vacuum, you'll need to use the trigger underneath the handle to spray the carpet with the solution. Releasing the trigger will stop the fluid and will allow you to vacuum over the area until the dirty water has been removed. You should work in straight lines, overlapping slightly, and work on areas no bigger than 1 metre squared at a time. If at any point the water begins to foam or the nozzle stops spraying, then turn the machine off, remove the dirty water and replace the clean water and more cleaning solution. When you are ready to finish using the vacuum, you should first remove the head attachment from the wand and place the vacuum hose in the clean water until it has been siphoned into the dirty water container. Then turn off both switches on the machine, empty the water, disconnect the power, cleaning the unit thoroughly. You can always pair this cleaner with our air mover, which will help dry your carpets faster if the room is needed again in a short space of time. If you would like to find out more about our carpet cleaner or our other cleaning equipment for hire, visit hss.com today.